Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some amazing strong back. Go ahead and tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm gonna start off by adding some raw peanut to my blender, and please note guys that if you want to add more peanut, you can always go ahead and do so. I will also go ahead and add one dragon stout, and the dragon stout is optional. If you guys want to add Malta, you can always go ahead and add Malta as well. Now, they do have two different kinds of Guinness on the market. They have the smooth and they have the original Guinness. Now, you can always go ahead and use any one of your choice. I will also go ahead and add some Suppergen, and they do have different flavor of the Suppergen on the market as well. But for today's video, I will be using the vanilla. I will also go ahead and add some freshly grated nutmeg, some cinnamon, and of course I'm going to add some of my vanilla flavoring. I will go ahead and of course add some oats, and guys, you can always go ahead and add a little bit of okra if you have okra at home. Okra would be so nice with this. But I'm aware that some persons really and truly don't like okra, but you can always go ahead and just be creative and just be you in the kitchen. So once I add all of that goodness, I will also go ahead and add one Guinness Smooth. And you just want to tilt that to the side because you don't want it to foam up a lot, so you have to be careful. You don't want it to foam up like I am doing it here. All right, so make sure you tilt it nicely to the side. Once I add all of that, I will go ahead and just put on the cover on my blender, and basically we're just blending everything together. All right, and of course we're gonna blend this until it is smooth, and then I'm gonna come back, and of course we're gonna add the condensed milk to this. Now the condensed milk is optional, so just in case you don't feel like you want to add any condensed milk, what you can do, you can add a little bit of honey. All right, so you do have different options when it comes on to strong back, and you don't want to add too much of that condensed milk because you don't want it to be too sweet. Remember guys, while you're blending, you can turn off the blender and you can always go ahead and of course taste just to see. So once we add the condensed milk, we're gonna go ahead and blend, of course, and once I'm finished, I will come back and show you guys the final product. We're gonna pour it out in a glass, and of course we're gonna enjoy it together, so stay tuned. So this is it. It is all smooth and looking lovely and nice, and of course it was smelling so good. It is really smooth and nice, so of course I'm going to use a spoon to just shake that up well, and of course we're going to go ahead and pour it out. So basically this is it, the final product of my amazing strong back. I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe, and listen, I hope you guys go ahead and share with your families and your friends, and remember to always tell them about Callie J's Kitchen. Guys, we're on our way to 20k subscribers, so help me get there. And thank you guys so much again for your love and for your support. And listen, I can't wait to see you tomorrow, guys, for another awesome recipe. So remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload. Bye, guys. Thank you again for watching.